Hello everyone, this is Robert at HomeCraft. I'm here at our newest listing in Canton. This one is special. We're in Maple Park. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath ranch condo. First floor laundry room, finished basement with egress, beautiful Trex deck, so much to offer. Come on, check this one out. Hopefully you liked your tour of this beautiful ranch condo. If you have any questions about this property, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team, 734-329-0123, or you can email us at sold@homecraftteam.com. Thanks and have a good one.